What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Chris Anan at ngayong araw papanorin natin yung full trailer ng isa sa mga Metro Manila Film Festival entry ngayong taon, 2023, at ito yung Family of Two, A Mother and Son Story. So ito yung movie na for the first time nagsama yung si Sharon Cuneta, no other than the megastar, at si Alden Richards, kapuso actor and also Asia's multimedia star. So, excited ako mapunod itong full trailer nito at later bibigyan natin yung reaction at opinion ko on the said trailer. So, let's go!
Huwag mo naman pakialaman to, happiness ko to, hayaan mo na ako.
Pero ma, ang gusto ko lang naman kasi talaga, mag-enjoy ka sa buhay mo.
Mag-iingat ka.
Opo.
Pag may hold up na lahat, ibigay mo na lahat. Cellphone, ang kotse, ang pera.
Lahat po ibigay kasi
napapalitan ang buhay ng tao. Hindi, okay?
Yes po.
Tsaka magpe-pray ka for protection lagi.
Always po. And ma, this is a
recording.
From the creators of 2022's most awarded film.
budget niyo po yan.
Bait naman talaga ni Lord sa akin.
Mas mabait po si Lord sa akin kasi binigyan niya ako ng nanay na kagaya niyo.
This holiday season, experience another heartwarming story about a mother and son. Alden Richards and the megastar Sharon Cuneta.
May boyfriend ka na? Nililigawan ka pa na? Ma! Aray! Baka naman mag-viral, nakakahiya.
Ma, para sa amin lang to.
Ganun ba?
Date ma, kaya kayo?
Ngayon pa ba ako maghahanap? Wala namang papalit sa papa mo. Mateo, ano to?
Ad po.
Pinapastos mo ako!
Ginawa kong parang pre-love na sapatos at damit ng anak ko. Nilalako. Nasaktan ako.
Ma, usap naman tayo.
Hindi ako tanga.
Ma, alam ko naman yun. Hindi ko naman iniisip yan sa'yo.
Pero doon sa ginawa mo, parang gano'n na nga.
Ang sweet ng anak mo. Nag-post siya sa TikTok.
Mahal na mahal ko itong mama ko kasi napakabait, napakasarap magluto.
Laki, payag na ako, anak.
Saan po?
Doon sa dating.
Basta don't give too much information, ha? Basta wag masyadong give na give. Tsaka yung inumin mo, ingatan mo kasi uso ngayon yung date drug ba yun?
Wag na lang, anak. Uwi na tayo. Ayoko na. Ayoko na magkape. Ninenervyos na ako.
Directed by Noel Crisostomo Naval and written by Mel Mendoza del Rosario.
Bakit niyo po nagustuhan yung mama ko?
Siguro ang isasagot ko na lang sa tanong mo. Tanong din. Paano hindi mo mamahalin ang isang tulad ni Maricar?
This is why I fell in love with you. The way you love. Love mo for mama mo. It is who you are.
It takes love to raise a child.
You've always been there for me. Gusto ko pong suklian yun. Hindi dahil obligasyon ko, kundi dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo.
And courage to let go.
Lagi kong sinasabi na pinaka-proud ako sa pagiging isang ina ko. Yun talaga ang the best and greatest achievement ko.
The best journey in life takes you home to family. Family of Two, a mother and son story, an official entry to the MMFF 2023.
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin yung full trailer ng Family of Two, a Mother and Son Story na entry ng Sinico for Metro Manila Film Festival 2023 at nagbibigyan nga ni megastar Sharon Cuneta at Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. So this is the first time na nagsama itong dalawang artista na we consider na A-list artists, diba? Stars, A-list stars natin. And I have mixed emotions, mixed reactions about this movie. First muna yung yung good reaction ko. Well, I'm happy to see that these two big stars are paired together in a big movie and sa isang special pang event which is Metro Manila Film Festival. I'm happy na nagkaroon ng chance na magsama itong dalawang to. Second, maganda yung kwento. It's about family, which is maganda rin, maganda for Christmas kasi nga most of the audience in this coming Metro Manila Film Festival are families, so bagay to. So I think it's rated PG-13 to, so bagay. So pag-usapan natin ang box office, possible just a chance of maging isa sa mga kikita na malaki, diba? Ano ba, story wise, yung box office. So yun ang nakita ko maganda dito. Ang negative reaction ko naman about this movie, nasasad lang ako kasi this is the second time na nag-produce yung Sinico, and for the second time rin nag-produce sila ng movie na ito, this is my opinion na, so pwede yung iba, pwede yung mag-disagree sa sabihin ko. Pansin ko, for 2 years nag-produce sila ng movie na very common yung storyline, diba? The first movie they did last year was A Family Matter, and it was very common na yung storyline. Marami na nakagawa ng ganong klaseng story, which is, ang story is about mga matatandang parents and their grown up children na parang nakakaroon ng issues about on taking care the older parents, diba? Na yun nga, nakita na natin in the past, which is ang isa sa pinaka-popular na may ganitong klaseng storyline ay yung Tanging Yaman na produce ng Star Cinema, and so on. Marami nang gumawa after that ng Tanging Yaman. Then after that, diba? So very common yung storyline, and medyo nag-fail sila sa box office because nga yung storyline ay very common. Now they produce another movie na ang storyline very common rin. It's about a mother and child story. Siguro kaiba lang in the past, matas ng papunod natin mother and daughter, diba? Dito it's a mother and son, so hindi naman ganun ka-common, pero still the same. Yung theme niya is mother-child story. So ang isa sa pinaka-popular na ganang storyline is yung Anak, diba? Nina Vilma Santos and Claudine Barreto. Ano pa? Sino pa bang sigat na ganun? Wala na ako rin, pero basta yun, yung pinaka-sikat na storyline, mother-daughter storyline yun. So yun. So with this storyline ng A Family of Two, common lang siya, and parang tinakal nila din sa movie is yung relationship ng anak sa ng nanay, and parang yung nanay is open to letting go his son, pero yung anak he's also ready to letting go rin yung mother to have a new relationship, diba? So ganun lang yan. So yun nga, na on my part, parang nakakasad, parang this is a wasted opportunity for the main actors, diba? Sina Alden sa Sharon, na sana binigyan pa sila ng mas matinding storyline. And based to sa nakita nating trailer, parang hindi masyadong yung nagamit yung acting nila. Sharon is playing the character na same ng character niya in real life. Alden, same thing. He's playing a character na similar sa kanyang sarili, diba? So parang for me, it's a wasted opportunity na ma-showcase yung talent nila, especially on Alden, kasi si Sharon na-proof naman niya yung pagiging mahusay niya artista. Alden, diba, na-waste yung chance niya mapakita yung husay niya na naka-eksena niya si Sharon, diba? So si Alden, we saw him in different series sa GMA, diba? Meron yung Ilustrado and isa pang series, diba? So sayang. So I wish they did something better that hindi ko pina-question yung director and the writer ng series, ay ng movie, pero because they are really good. Si Noel Dabal saka writer na si Mel Del Rosario, pero again, sayang, it was a wasted opportunity for them para showcase yung talent ng dalawang artista, na sana yung matindi yung how you call it, yung mga eksena, yung as in storyline, diba, na mag-bring out sa husay ng acting ng dalawang artista. So, yun. So, nonetheless, I'm not saying na it's bad written or bad directed, but it was, para sa akin, it's a very common storyline na nakikita natin. So I'm still excited to see this movie pa rin, kahit ganun yung tingin ko sa storyline niya, medyo common. I'm still going to watch it and try to see it, diba? Kung baka meron within that movie, siguro kung naipalabas na mayroon something na yung ikagagulan natin, lalo na sa acting niya. But now, masasabi ko, kung contest, kapag tumatay na yung awards night ng Metro Manila Film Festival, I could say na this is my less na movie na makakuha ng awards, because ang daming may mga malalakas na dyan na movie na pagdating sa awards, like yung Firefly, Rewind, Malyari, ano pa, Kampon, diba? So magagaling yung nakikita ko na magagaling yung part. Budget and yung kina Eugene Domingo sa kay Pokwang, di ba? Malakas na yun kahit comedy yun, pero acting ng wise magaling, di ba? So, yun, masasabi ko, medyo left behind pagdating sa award itong Family of Two. Pero pagdating naman sa box office, I can say, di ba siya yung top closer, magko-closer, pero maybe nasa top 3 or top 4 ng movie or top 5, something like that. Pero hindi sila yung mangungulelat. Kasi nga, when it comes to bankability, Sharon and Alden, mga bankable artists yan. So, and ang bagay yung team up nila doon sa movie, malakas yung chemistry nila. You can feel yung bagiging mother-son relationship nila. So, yun, there you go. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo yung full trailer ng Family of Two, a mother and son story. At kung nagustuhan nyo man, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo rin man yung binigay kong opinion at reaction ko, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And I will read all your comments. And I will try to react back kung kailangan. So, yun. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels, The Anas Q Show, Proudly Promptive Live, ang Pinoy Talaga Channel, and Tamat ng People Present. So maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.